Anthropic Academy has 21 free courses. They live on anthropic.skilljar.com. They all end up with a certificate. And here is the part nobody is telling you. 8 of those 21 are the same course, not similar, the same framework, rewritten for a different audience. AI Fluency for educators, AI Fluency for students, teaching AI Fluency for nonprofits, AI Fluency for small businesses, AI Fluency for builders, AI Fluency for PK-12 educators. All of them sit on top of one parent course called AI Fluency, Framework and Foundations. So the real catalog is not 21 courses, it's 14 distinct courses bearing 21 name tags. If you only have one weekend, take these 4. Claude 101, Claude Code 101, Building with the Claude API, and Introduction to Model Context Protocol. That's the spine. Stay with me, because the reviews you have already seen cover 18 courses. The catalog is at 21. I'm covering all of them, plus the overlap map, which courses repeat each other so you can skip them. Quick context so you know what you're walking into. Anthropic Academy is hosted on Skilljar at anthropic.skilljar.com. You sign in, you pick a course, you work through it, you get a certificate of completion at the end. Most reviews out there cover 18 or less courses. This catalog is at 21. Claude Platform 101, AI Fluency for builders, and AI Fluency for PK-12 educators are the ones that tend to get left out. So those get coverage here. 2 courses have real prerequisites, and I'll flag those when we get there, because they are the ones when people get stuck at lesson 1. Let's go track by track. These are the on-ramps, 4 of them. Claude 101. This one teaches you Claude for everyday work tasks. The curriculum runs what Claude is, your first conversation, getting better results, the desktop app, chat, co-work and code, then projects, artifacts, skills, connecting your tools, enterprise search, research mode, and use cases by role. It closes with a certificate. Honest take, if you have been using Claude daily for months, you can move fast through this. If you are advising the team, the projects and skills sections give you the vocabulary you need. Claude Code 101. This teaches Claude Code in your daily development workflow. It is built in 4 sections. What is Claude Code? 2 lessons. Your first prompt, 2 lessons. Daily workflows, 3 lessons. And customizing Claude Code, 5 lessons. 12 lessons total. The core of it is the Explore, Plan, Code, Commit workflow. It covers install across Terminal, VS Code, JetBrains, Claude Desktop, and Web. It covers approval mode, auto accept and plan mode, and the context commands /compact, /clear, /context. Here is the prerequisite people miss. Claude Code 101 requires a Claude account, Pro, Max, or Enterprise, or an API key. You cannot do the hands-on parts on a free account. Claude Platform 101. This is one of the new ones. It teaches developers to build on the Claude developer platform from the ground up. You send your first API request. You choose between Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku. You weigh cost against latency. And then, this is the good part, you build the agent loop by hand before you collapse it with the SDK's tool runner. It also covers Anthropic's built-in tools, web search, code execution, web fetch, plus skills, MCP servers, and context management for long-running agents. The prerequisite, an Anthropic Console account, an API key from platform.claude.com, and a small amount of prepaid credit. The demos use the TypeScript SDK. That's at Anthropic-AI/SDK with Node and NPM. Introduction to Claude Cowork, the other new one. This is about working alongside Claude on your real files and projects. It covers the Cowork task loop, plugins and skills, file and research workflows, and how to steer multi-step work. The stated goal is that you are productive in your first week. If you do knowledge work rather than code, this is the one to take instead of Claude Code 101. 6 courses. This is where the actual curriculum lives, building with the Claude API. The catalog calls it comprehensive, and it covers the full spectrum of working with Anthropic models through the Claude API. If you are building anything real, this is your anchor course, Claude Code in Action. Different course from Claude Code 101, and a distinction matters. This one is about running long, hands-off Claude Code sessions you can trust. 4 verbs: steer, configure, automate, and verify. If 101 is, how do I use this? In Action is, how do I leave it running and still trust the output? Introduction to Model Context Protocol. You build MCP servers and clients from scratch in Python. It is built around MCP's 3 core primitives: tools, resources, and prompts. That's the framing to remember. 3 primitives. Everything else in MCP hangs off those. Model Context Protocol. Advanced topics. The follow-up. Sampling, notifications, file system access, and transport mechanisms for production MCP servers. Do not start here. Do the intro first, then this. Introduction to agent skills. Skills in Claude Code are reusable markdown instructions that Claude applies automatically to the right task at the right time. The course takes you from first skill to distributing them across a team. Plus troubleshooting. Introduction to subagents. Subagents in Claude Code. How to use them and create them to manage context, delegate tasks, and keep your main conversation clean. Notice something about those last 2. They are short, specific, and they teach the 2 features that quietly do the most work in a real Claude Code setup. If you are going to skip anything in this track, don't skip these. Full courses, and my rule here is simple. Pick one, never both. Claude with Amazon Bedrock. This one has a story behind it. Anthropic built it as part of an accreditation program created for AWS, a first of its kind training for AWS employees. They then released a full course publicly so anyone can follow along. Claude on Google Cloud. Described the same way as the API course. Comprehensive, covering the full spectrum of working with Anthropic models. But on Google Cloud, take whichever matches your stack. If you are on neither, skip both and do building with the Claude API instead. The overlap is heavy and your time is better spent elsewhere. This is the section that saves you the most hours, so log in. AI Fluency. Framework and Foundations is the parent. It teaches you to collaborate with AI systems effectively, efficiently, ethically, and safely. That's the whole catalog's philosophical backbone. Then there are 7 variants. AI Fluency for educators, for faculty, instructional designers, and educational leaders. Applied to teaching practice and institutional strategy. AI Fluency for students. Learning, career planning, academic success. Teaching AI Fluency. How to teach and assess AI Fluency in instructor-led settings. AI Fluency for nonprofits. Organizational impact and efficiency while staying true to mission and values. AI Fluency for small businesses. Same framing, small business context. AI Fluency for builders. For people who own the full arc from problem to ship solution. AI Fluency for PK-12 educators. Materials aimed at PK-12. Read those descriptions back to back and you'll notice how close the language is. Nonprofits and small businesses use nearly identical wording. So here is the play. Take the parent course, then take exactly one variant, yours. Skip the other 6. You are not missing content. You're skipping the same content with different examples. That alone turns 8 courses into 2. AI capabilities and limitations. The catalog describes it in one line. An introductory course about how AI works. No prerequisites, No account needed, no code. It's the one you send to the colleague who keeps asking whether AI is going to be wrong about things. It's foundational rather than practical, and it's the shortest path to give a non-technical person a working mental model. Not essential if you are already building. Genuinely useful if you are the person in your company who has to explain all this to everyone else. Rankings are useless if you don't know where to start. So here is a path instead. If you are a developer, take them in this order. Claude 101 first. It's fast and it gives you the vocabulary. Then Claude Code 101. Then Claude Code in action, because that pair goes from how do I use this to how do I trust it running on its own. Then agent skills and sub-agents, back to back. They are short and they teach the two features that quietly do the most work in a real setup. Now you go up a level, building with the Claude API. Then Claude Platform 101, then Introduction to Model Context Protocol. Then MCP Advanced Topics in that order. Never the other way around. And number 10, Bedrock or Google Cloud. One, not both. If you are not a developer, different paths. Start with AI capabilities and limitations, because it costs you nothing and it gives you the mental model. Then Claude 101. Then Introduction to Claude Cowork. That's your equivalent of Claude Code 101. Then AI Fluency, Framework and Foundations. And finally, your one AI Fluency variant. Yours, not the other 6. And if you only have a weekend, forget both lists. Claude 101, Claude Code 101. Building with the Claude API. Introduction to Model Context Protocol. 4 courses. That's the spine of the entire catalog. One last thing on the certificates. Every course gives you one. They are real, they are free, and they look fine on LinkedIn. But nobody is hiring you because you finished Claude 101. What you actually get out of this catalog is the mental models, the agent loop, the 3 MCP primitives, the explore, plan, code, commit rhythm, and knowing what a skill is for versus what a SAP agent is for. Take the 4 course spine. Take one AI Fluency variant. Skip the other 6. That's 21 courses turned into a weekend. Everything is at anthropic.skilljar.com. Like, comment, and subscribe, please.